make money from AI-generated images? Let me show you how I made $300 plus with zero creative skills using just Nano Banana and Canva. Stick around, because in the next 6 minutes, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process that's literally printing passive income. And the best part? You can start today. Here's the problem most people face. They want to make money online, but they think you need to be an artist, a designer, or have years of experience. You don't. What if I told you that you could create a profitable ebook without drawing a single line? What if you could let AI do the creative work and you just handle the business side? That's exactly what we're doing today with Nano Banana, Google's secret AI tool that's literally changing how people create content. First, we're going to Nano Banana by Google. If you haven't heard of it, it's an AI image generator that's absolutely free and creates stunning illustrations. Generate 10 pages kids images for ebook about science. Hit generate, and boom. Within seconds, we've got beautiful, cartoonish, child-friendly science illustrations. These aren't generic. They're actually good. See? Nano Banana just created professional-looking artwork that would cost you $50 minus $200 to commission from a designer. And it took 30 seconds. But here's the genius move. We don't just take what it gives us. We're going to generate more images by tweaking our prompt slightly. Create science images for making ebooks. Generate colorful space exploration scenes for kids. See how each prompt creates a new set of images? We're building a library of unique content. Now, here's the pro tip. I'm not just grabbing one set. I'm generating at least 30 to 50 images. Because variety is gold for ebook design. Different scenes, different characters, different educational moments. Download them all. Organize them in a folder. This is your creative gold. Now we jump into Canva, and this is where the magic happens. Create a new design. Here's the crucial part. We're making square designs. Why? Because Amazon KDP has specific dimension requirements, and square is the most versatile format for ebooks. Plus, square images perform 35% better on Pinterest if you ever decide to drive traffic that way. I'm choosing a simple, clean template. We're not trying to be fancy. We're trying to be professional and educational. Drag the science images in, position them. Add a fun title here. Maybe something like Science Adventure for Kids. You see how this is coming together? Each page gets one main image with educational text. Simple, clean, professional. Add short, snappy educational text. Did you know plants breathe too? Simple, engaging, perfect for kids. The cover is everything. Your cover is literally the first impression. I'm using one of our best Nano Banana images. Something bright, colorful, and attention-grabbing. Add a bold title, Fun Science Facts for Kids. Add a subtitle, your name or brand. Make it POP. Look at that. Would you buy this? I would. And here's the thing. People literally do buy these for $2.99 to $9.99 on Amazon. Finish designing all your pages, make sure everything looks cohesive, and you've got yourself a professional-looking ebook. No design degree required. Now for the business side. We're heading to Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing. This is your storefront to the world. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free. Takes 5 minutes. Have your tax information ready. Amazon needs to know who you are. Click Create a new title. Fill in your ebook information, title, description, keywords. Here's where SEO matters. Your title and keywords determine if people find you. If you're selling science ebooks for kids, use keywords like science for kids. Educational ebooks, children's learning books, people are searching for these. Upload your Canva design as your cover. Upload your interior design files. Amazon has specific formatting. But honestly, if you followed the steps above, you're golden. Select your category. Pick your price. Here's the secret. Don't go too cheap. $4.99 to $7.99 is the sweet spot for kids' ebooks. People see LOW prices and think LOW quality. Enable KDP Select. This means Amazon gets exclusive rights for 90 days. You get access to Kindle Unlimited royalties, and you can run free promotions to build your audience. And publish. Your ebook is now live on Amazon, worldwide, available to millions. So here's what just happened. We used free AI tools to create a professional ebook. We designed it in 30 minutes. We published it for free. And now every single sale is pure profit. I've made over $300 this month alone using this exact method. And I'm not even promoting hard. Imagine if you created 5 of these ebooks, 10 of them, 20 of them? If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe because I'm dropping more ways to make money with AI next week. And comment below, what science topic would your kid's ebook be about? Let's go make that money. Thanks for watching.